Hey friends, it's Kelly, and welcome to this week's Aldi Finds extravaganza. Get ready to embark on a magical journey as we unveil a treasure trove of Disney themed goodies and an array of other fantastic discoveries. So let's get started. All right, my friends, we're going to start with the Mother's Day gift ideas. First up, we have the Huntington Home 14-ounce candle. It is available in 4 scents: pink pineapple lemonade, ginger peach tea, coastal paradise, wild mint, and beechwood, and they are only $4.49 each. Next up, we have the Huntington Home 3-segment candles. These are absolutely adorable, and they're available in 3-scent combinations, only $12.99 each. We have the Huntington Home succulent wax warmer available in cement gray or terracotta for $12.99. And here we have the Huntington Home Triple Pour Scented Wax Melts. They're available in 4-scent options, only $1.89. And we have the Sarah Ladies Block Heel. You can choose from denim, floral, or brown suede for $12.99. And the last item in this section is the Sarah Scrunchy Bows and Claw Clips, only $2.99. And now we're going to move into the home goods section. First up, we have the Ambiano Twin Window Fan for only $29.99. We have the Balavi 18 by 30 inch outdoor accent mat. You can choose from 3 different designs for only $7.99. Next up, we have these adorable Disney Cocoa mats. You can choose from 4 different designs for only $9.99. And we have the Huntington Home Spring Decorative Pillow. You can choose from flower, butterfly, or hearts for $5.99. And the last item in this section is the licensed Disney-shaped pillow. You can choose from Mickey or Minnie, and they are $12.99 each. And now we're going to go ahead and move into the household essentials section. First up, we have the Boulder graduation napkins. They're $1.89. No image is available, and they do come 40 per pack. Next up, we have the Boulder graduation plates. I'm assuming those napkins match these plates. They are $1.89 per pack for 20 plates. And the last item in this section is the Tide Pods Plus Oxy. It's a 32 count for only $12.94. And now we're going to go ahead and move into the kitchen section. We do only have 2 items here. First up, it's the Crofton 20-ounce stainless steel bottle, only $6.99, and it does come in 4 different colors. And the last item in this section is the Zach Disney licensed stainless steel bottle. You can choose from 4, 5, 6 different designs, and they are only $9.99 each. And now we're going to go ahead and move into the outdoor living and garden section. First up, we have the 12-inch premium hanging baskets. They are not available in all locations. They are only $14.99 each. We have the 6-inch vegetable or herb assortment. These are not available in all locations, and they are only $3.29 each. We have the 8-inch hydrangea assorted colors. Please note, not available in all locations, and these are $12.99 each. We also have the spring perennial assorted varieties. Again, these are not available in all locations, and they are only $6.49 each. And we have these adorable Balavi bird feeder assortments. You can choose from the picnic bench, chair, or a regular swing, and they are only $9.99 each. We have the Balavi Fairy Garden Kit. You have 2 kits to choose from, and you can use them indoors or outdoors for only $12.99. We also have the Balavi Foldable Garden Tools Bag for $12.99. And we have the Balavi Hummingbird Feeder. You have 3 designs to choose from, and they are only $9.99 each. And we have the Balavi Solar Decorative Metal Lantern. It comes in 3 different colors, green, pink, or blue. And they have 3 stamped design options for only $7.99. And here we have the Balavi Teacup or Watering Can Planter, only $9.99. We have the Balavi Trellis. You have 2 different designs to choose from for only $8.99. We have the Garden Line 6-in-1 tool or pruner set for $7.99. And we have the Garden Line Children's Gardening Set. Oh, what a great idea, friends. Get them started at a young age, only $6.99. We have the Garden Line Coiled Garden Hose. You can choose from 3 different colors, and they are only $9.99 each. And then we have the Garden Line Decorative Garden Hand Tool Set. I love the colors on this. That pink one is absolutely beautiful, only $9.99. And we have the Garden Line knee pads or kneeling pad for $6.99. And friends, I love how the patterns coordinate with everything. Absolutely beautiful. And then we have the Garden Line men's or ladies garden clogs. Comes in several different colors and they are only $8.99 a pair. And then we have the wonderful Garden Line men's or ladies garden hat to keep that sun off of your head for only $6.99. And the last item in this section is the Garden Line watering wand. You can choose from two different colors and they are only $4.99 each. And now we're heading into the apparel section. First up, we have the Disney backpack. You can choose from red Mickey, red Minnie, black and white Mickey, or Donald Duck for only $14.99. And then we have the Disney wallet. You can choose from Mickey and Minnie, red Minnie, black and white Mickey, or white Mickey, and they are only $6.99 each. And look at these adorable Disney earrings. You can choose from Mickey, Minnie, gloves, bows, or pants, and they are only $4.99 a pair. Here we have the Disney character headbands. You can choose from black ears with red bow, gold ears with black bow, pink ears with rainbow bow, Mickey ears with black bow, black ears with silver bow, vintage ears with pink bow. They are only $4.99 each. And then here we have the Disney children's character sneakers. We have three different designs to choose from, and they are only $12.99. We also have the Disney ladies character court sneakers, three designs to choose from as well, $14.99. We have the Disney ladies Disney shorts. It comes in tight or regular fit. They are only $6.99 a pair. And then we have the Disney men's or ladies baseball hat or bucket hat. They are only $5.99 each. And we also have the Disney toddlers character sneakers, three different designs to choose from for $11.99. And then we have the licensed ladies Disney shirt or tank that will coordinate really well with those shorts. They're only $6.99 each, and you have four to choose from. Next up, we have the Sarah Ladies 2-pack rib top. They come in a bunch of different colors and they are only $4.99 per pack. And then we have the Sarah Ladies Bermuda jeggings. You have three different designs to choose from, or excuse me, you have three different colors to choose from, and they are only $8.99. Next up, we have the Sarah Ladies dress for $7.99. They're available in short sleeve stripe, short sleeve blue, tank black, and tank AOP. The last item in this section is the Sarah Ladies Shorty Romper, and they are only $9.99. And now we're heading into the personal care section. We do only have one item here. It is the Crane Fitness Massage Device, only $29.99. Next up, we're moving into the school and office supply section. We do only have one item here, and it is the Pembroke graduation cards. There are many cards to choose from, and they are only 99 cents each. Now we're heading into the arts and entertainment section. We do only have two items here. First up is the Hinkler Premium Puzzle Books. You have four different books to choose from, and they are only $4.99. And the last item in this section is the Zuru Mini Brands Disney. They are only $6.99 each. Now we're moving along into the beverage section. First up, we have the LaCroix Sparkling Flavored Water. It is a 15-pack. You can choose from four different varieties, only $5.85 each. We have the Prime Hydration Strawberry Banana. They are $2.18 a piece. And the last item in this section is the Propel Immune Support. It is an 18-pack for only $12.98. And now we're heading into the snack section. First up, we have the Clancy's Potato Chip Combo for only $6.99. We have the Dots Homestyle Pretzels. They're $6.94 each. And we have the Frito-Lay Bold Variety Pack. It is an 18 count and only $9.98. We have the Lesser Evil Popcorn Snack Pack, $4.99. We have the Popfully Yellow Popcorn Kernels, only $3.99 for 45 ounces. And the last item in this section is the Utz Pub Mix Barrel, no image available, and it is only $7.12 each. And now we're going to head into the dairy and egg section. We do only have one item here, and it is the Chobani Creations Caramel Sundae for $1.29. And now we're heading into the deli section. First up, we have the Grillo's Pickle di Gallo mild or medium, only $3.99. We have the Latera Fina Cheddar Broccoli or Lorraine Quiche, only $9.99. And the last item in this section is the Simply Nature Organic Cajun or Spicy Chicken Sausages. They are only $4.99 each. And now we're heading into the frozen section. First up, we have the Belmont Key Lime Pie. They are $5.99 for 32 ounces. We have the Bremer Chicken Gyro Kit, $12.49, no image available. Next up, we have the Bremer Jasmine Rice. It's only $4.19 each. And we have the Docha Kucha Pork Schnitzel for only $8.99. We have the Fremont Fish Market Hickory Bourbon Barbecue or Honey Mustard Air Fryer Salmon, only $3.99 each. Mama Cozy's Pizza Kitchen Premium Tavern Cheese or Supreme Pizza, no image available, only $5.49. We have the Mama Cozy's Pizza Kitchen Ultra Thin Crust Barbecue Chicken or Smokehouse Pizza. Image is not available. It's only $4.99 each. Specially selected bacon wrapped shrimp, $8.99 each. Specially selected black tiger shrimp for 16 ounces, only $10.99. Specially selected caramel apple or appleberry blossoms, only $3.29 each. We have the specially selected Maine lobster tails, only $12.99 for 8 ounces. And we have the Sunday Shop Stracciatella dipped cookie sandwiches, only $3.49. And the last item in this section is the Sunday Shop Vanilla and Caramel or Vanilla and Frost Fruit Fusion ice cream bars, only $3.49. And now, friends, we are moving into our last section, which is the fresh meat and seafood section. We do only have two items here. First up, we have the Simply Nature Organic Grass-Fed 8515 ground beef. It's $4.25 per pound, and it is sold in 4-pound packages. And the last item for today is the specially selected Frenched rack of lamb, only $9.99 per pound. From Aldi's website, items are available while quantities last. Items are limited and may not be available in all stores. There may be a limit on quantity. Prices and labels may vary by location. Aldi is not responsible for printing or typographical errors. Mama Needs a Goal disclaimer. Mama Needs a Goal is not associated, affiliated, or sponsored by Aldi. I am just a consumer who is sharing her love of Aldi by reposting the Aldi Finds. I am not responsible for printing, voiceover, or typographical errors. Friends, thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, when you get a chance, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am available on all those social media sites as well. So, friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next week for more All